As the pressure for reducing company costs increase, maintenance and CAPEX budgets continue to shrink, making the value of repairing your existing variable speed drives increasingly apparent. Schneider Electric offers high quality testing and repair of your variable speed drives through our local New Zealand repair centre to help you extend the life of your equipment and reduce your total costs. All variable speed drives are repaired at our facility by our factory trained experts with the same quality parts and standards used in the original manufacturing process, and all drives are load tested prior to being returned to site to ensure the repair has been successfully completed. Another benefit is Schneider Electric's Green Premium service, ensuring longer lifetime and end-of-life recycling. To move beyond the take, make and dispose model, this allows our customers to reduce their environmental impact and optimise the total cost of ownership. In addition to repairing your product, we can keep your plant functioning through our VSD rental program to ensure your critical operations continue. With access to both technical support and genuine spare parts, we carry out effective repairs to extend the life of your variable speed drives and provide cost-effective turnaround for all of our customers. If your company is looking to reduce long downtimes and avoid low-quality repairs or lack of accurate diagnostic analysis, then who better than Schneider Electric to repair Schneider Electric's products?